Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 83 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to do a quick update here. Yesterday was winter. I'm going to show you some cool things I've noticed and also an update of what I'm going to be doing today. So let me flip it around. Let's hurry this up. So there's a sweet purple asparagus here. I had purple passion here that did well for about 3 years, 2 to 3 years, and with really the dark clouds of the smoke of the summer here in California, when we had 2 weeks of no sun, 2.5 weeks almost, these asparagus really were struggling, and they started to die back severely. And I've been noticing over the years, they don't really like the heat. My UC 157F1 loves the heat. This didn't, so I took it out. I'm gonna take out the sweet purple here, and this Parfionca pomegranate I'm gonna be pruning back today. So let's walk over here. Let's do this quick. I wanna keep this short and sweet. I'm gonna be, hey Lulu, I'm going to be harvesting all those lemons that you see here today. I'm gonna be juicing them. This is one of the first trees I ever had to put a stand to hold it up. I don't really like doing that, but that's how many lemons were produced on this, I don't know, 6-foot tree. Let's see what else I was gonna do. I have 3 Jersey Giant asparagus here. They've never done nothing. It's almost been, I don't know, 4 years now. I'm not too sure, but it's been in the ground a while. They don't like it here. Only the UC 157F1 likes it where I'm at, or loves it even. And then I'm gonna be taking care of, let me make sure I don't trip. I'm gonna be taking care of any of the fire blight I've been noticing. So you can see this, that's fire blight. I can show you another fire blight, a really good example, if I could find it. Right here, that's fire blight. Oh, a moment. You see that? The crinkling? The fruit that's, well, you can see what it looks like. And then you see the crinkling in the bark? That's all fire blight. I need to cut somewhere around here, about a foot lower or more. So I gotta take care of some fire blight, or I gotta remove some plants, some grafts. Like this is Pink Lady. And Pink Lady just was fire blight ridden. Each one of the grafts got fire blight. I think one of them survived. So I'm gonna get rid of varieties that didn't like it. So this one here, I believe was a Granny Smith that I got from this Granny Smith tree and put it here, and you could see no fire blight. And it had flowers as well, and it didn't have fire blight. So this variety is a little bit better with fire blight. Pink Lady is not. And there's some kumquats. What else am I gonna do? The Vernon sapote has died. When it was 2.5 weeks of no sun, every day of that time period, when we had just smoke in the air, no sun at all, this just declined and declined and declined. So the Vernon sapote is done. The Subel sapote is still doing just fine. So there's an update. Happy gardening, everybody.